Hey guys, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. Today I want to share with you what I think about filming videos on iPhone versus professional camera. And I know that many of you might experience the fear of uploading the first video to YouTube, and the first thing which comes to your mind is actually a good gear. But if you're subscriber to the channel, you probably know that I was always an advocate for portability and simplicity, and I believe that you don't really need to invest in expensive gear or overcomplicate the process in order to start something. And I know that many of you want to create the most beautiful video from the very beginning. It should look perfect by the time when you upload this video to YouTube. But reality is that the good camera, actually iPhone can be really good camera, and frankly speaking, your first video would be better if you were filming this video with iPhone instead of professional mirrorless camera, because iPhone will simplify the process, and image processing software will do all the settings for you, so you can actually create better video with iPhone and you can focus on the idea, because concept is what truly matters. If your video has value, then it doesn't matter which camera you use, it will do its job. I have made more than 250 videos for YouTube and posted them across multiple YouTube channels, and I can tell you that sometimes videos which I recorded on the go, recorded with my iPhone, they performed much better than staged videos. It means that you better to start with the basics, start with the idea, start with what you want to say, start with actually crossing that barrier to create videos and posting them on YouTube. And when you see the result, when you see what people actually like, so that is the time when you can start investing in better quality and maybe setup. But don't do opposite. Just save yourself time and trouble. And remember that sometimes there is a simple solution for difficult things. So guys, I hope this video been helpful to you, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Also like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.